In the 20th century, many Western intellectuals believed socialism was not only fairer than capitalism, but also better at distributing resources and income. Once the atrocities of Soviet communism came to light, though, many turned to the democratic socialism that seemed to work in Scandinavia. This isn't old news. In 2016, we saw the popular appeal of democratic socialist Bernie Sanders. Senator Sanders has said that democratic socialism means democracy. It means creating a government that represents all of us, not just the wealthiest people in the country. Okay, let's define some terms. With democratic government, citizens are free to participate in government. They enjoy religious freedom, freedom of association, free speech, and a free press. Here's the problem. Socialism means the abolition of private property. Even in a moderate form, it means that government controls what and how much is produced. And it determines the income from different types of work. Democratic socialism is supposed to be a third way that avoids the evils of capitalism on the one side and of totalitarian communism on the other. It's supposed to make capitalism work by giving the state vast control over industries and the economy, and ensuring security and justice for all. But does democratic socialism really work over the long term? Can we sustain political and civil freedoms while restricting economic freedom? Or do these freedoms and the rights that correspond to them stand or fall together? Two 20th century economists asked just these questions. American Milton Friedman was an ardent critic of socialism in all its forms. Wilhelm Röpke was credited with the miracle that made West Germany an economic powerhouse after World War II, while East Germany languished under communism. Nazism and Soviet communism are over, but these questions about our freedoms remain. That makes the arguments of Friedman and Röpke as pertinent now as they were in the previous century.